Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel and to Agri course. So friends, today we will discuss about insect wing, its venation. So I will teach you in detail about what are the areas of the wing, its angles, cross veins and overall wing venation. So friends, I request you all to go through the complete video as it is very important topic, as most of the questions they are asked from this topic. So first of all I will tell you about the areas of the wing. So this leading edge, this is known as the costal margin, whereas this outer edge, this is known as the apical margin, and this trailing edge, this is known as the anal margin. And the angle between the angle at the base of the wing, this is known as the humeral angle, and the angle between costal and the apical margin, this is known as the apical angle, whereas the angle between the apical and the inner margin, this is known as the anal angle. So now I will explain about the wing veins. So first you can see over here, this is this green in the vein that is green in color. And friends, first of all let me tell you one thing, that is the vein that is present on crest, that is convex, that and this is represented by positive sign, whereas the vein that is on trough, this is concave and it is represented by negative sign. So now I will discuss in detail about all the veins. So first of all we have costal vein, this costal vein, and this is represented by the positive sign, whereas this second vein, this is subcostal vein, and this is represented by negative sign. And the third one, that is you can see over here, this is red in color, this is further subdivided into radius and the radial sector, and this radial sector, this is further subdivided into 4, and it is represented by radial sector 1, radial sector 2, radial sector 3 and radial sector 4. And the vein that is in black color, this is median vein, and this is further subdivided into anterior median, that is represented by positive sign, that is on present on the crest, and whereas the posterior median, this is represented by negative sign. And this further this anterior median, this is further subdivided into anterior median 1 and anterior median 2, whereas this posterior median, this is further subdivided into 4, that is posterior median 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the another is the cubital vein, and this cubital vein, this is further subdivided into anterior cubitus and the posterior cubitus, and among these the anterior cubitus, this is further subdivided into 2, that is anterior cubitus 1 and anterior cubitus 2, whereas this anterior posterior cubitus, this is not further subdivided. So, and the rest, these you can see over there, these pink colored veins, they are the anals, and they are represented by anal 1, anal 2 and anal 3. And let me tell you one thing more, that is the area that contains lots of vein in front of the wing, that is at the wing base, that is known as the remigium, whereas the area behind this remigium or the cloval furrow, this is known as the clavus. And whereas exception is there in case of the hind wing, this clavus, this is known as venous instead of clavus. And after discussing about the veins, there are some cross vein, you can see over here, this cross vein. There are mainly 4 cross vein that provide strength to the insect wing. So this first one, cross vein, that is present between the costa and the subcosta, this is known as the humeral cross vein, and this is represented by by small h, whereas the vein between the radius and the radial sector, this is represented by radial cross vein and represented by small r, whereas the cross vein between the radial sector and anterior median, this is known as the radiomedial cross vein and represented by rm. And this cross vein that is present between the cubitus and the median posterior, cubitus anterior and posterior median 4, this is represented by mediocubital cross vein. So this so now I can tell you about the what are the concave and the convex and the concave veins. So I have drawn over here this costa, radius anterior, median, cubitus anterior, and the anals. They are the convex veins, whereas the concave, among concave, subcostal, radial sector, posterior median, and the cubitus posterior, they are the concave veins. So this was all about insect wing venation, its areas, its angles, and the cross veins. I hope friends you like this video. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell button so that you can have our notifications as we will upload our new videos. Thank you friends.